Do you want to speak English more easily? In this video, you will learn 100 simple English sentences for everyday life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice every day. Let's begin. 1. I am ready to learn too. Today is a beautiful day. 3. I feel great today. 4. I have a lot to do. 5. I need a little time. 6. I have enough time. 7. I am in a hurry. 8. I am not in a hurry. 9. I am feeling good. 10. I feel much better now. 11. I am happy to see you. 12. It is good to see you. 13. Long time no see. 14. How have you been? 15. I have been very busy. 16. I am glad you came. 17. It was nice talking to you. 18. I enjoyed our conversation. 19. Talk to you soon. 20. I hope to see you again. 21. What are you looking for? 22. I am looking for my bag. 23. Have you seen my keys? 24. I left them here. 25. I forgot my password. 26. I remember your name. 27. I forgot his name. 28. I need to check. 29. Let me think. 30. Give me a moment. 31. I have an idea. 32. I have a plan. 33. That is a great idea. 34. I agree with you. 35. I don't agree. 36. You are right. 37. You are wrong. 38. I think so. 39. I don't think so. 40. Maybe you are right. 41. It is very easy. 42. It is a little difficult. 43. I can do it. 44. I cannot do it. 45. I will try. 46. I will do my best. 47. I need more practice. 48. Practice makes you better. 49. I am learning slowly. 50. I am getting better. 51. What do you think? 52. I think it is good. 53. Do you like it? 54. Yes, I really like it. 55. No, I don't like it. 56. Which one do you want? 57. I want this one. 58. I want that one. 59. Both are good. 60. I don't mind. 61. Can you hear me? 62. Yes, I can hear you. 63. Can you see me? 64. Yes, I can see you. 65. Are you listening? 66. Yes, I am listening. 67. Please listen carefully. 68. Please look here. 69. Please come closer. 70. Please speak clearly. 71. I am not sure. 72. Are you sure? 73. I am sure about it. 74. I have no idea. 75. I have a question. 76. I know the answer. 77. I need an answer. 78. That is a good question. 79. Let me explain. 80. I will explain it again. 81. I am sorry to hear that. 82. I hope everything is fine. 83. Don't be sad. 84. Stay positive. 85. Keep going. 86. You can do this. 87. Believe in yourself. 88. Never give up. 89. Keep trying. 90. You are doing great. 91. I am proud of you. 92. Well done. 93. Good job. 94. That is amazing. 95. What a surprise. 96. That sounds interesting. 97. That sounds good. 98. I am happy for you. 99. I wish you good luck. 100. See you in the next lesson.